Good morning, friends. I am Surya Agrawal, and in today's episode, we'll learn how to grow touch me not or same plant. This is also called Lajjavati or Lajwanti. This is Chuimi plant, and in early childhood, you used to play with this plant. And today, I will be telling you all the medicinal, herbal, medicinal importance of these plants and how to grow them, how to care them, and how to fertilize them. Everything you should know for growing the same plant or touch me plant. This is a perennial flowering plant from the pea family or legume family Fabaceae. It's easy plant, and this so seasonality that if you touch it, just touch it, the leaves gets folded, and the compound leaves after inward folding they droop down when touched, and this is the water or the sap changes its position from its leaf to this pulvinous and the leaves reopen after 3 to 4 minutes time. Just they reopen, and they have lots of medicinal importance, herbal medicinal importance, especially its roots and its leaves. And if you can grow it in your balcony or in your home, this is very useful. So roots are used in curing dysentery, fever or ulcer or leukoderma. These diseases are cured by these roots, and leaves are mostly used in curing conjunctivitis, fistula, and you have wounds. Then they can stop water blooding from your wounds. So these are the lots of importance. And if you touch the leaves, just see how I am touching it, and the leaves are inwardly folding and they stoop down due to the seasonality. And this is the beautiful experiment of seasonality plant, and in 2 to 3 minutes time they again reopen. And this is the native to South America or South Central America plant, and in Indian condition they easily can grow in pots. And for that you can take 6-inch pot is nice, and they flower in the summertime, and the plant mostly grown from the seeds or from cuttings, and this mostly grown in February March. You can grow from the seeds, and I tell you the plant loves lots of moisture and full of sunlight, but don't make the soil soggy. But if you grow it in hot summer, the plants you can grow easily. And if you grow from seeds, within 2 weeks the seeds sprout out, and if you want you can grow from cuttings also. The joint position, if you grow, take the cuttings 3 or 4-inch cutting, within 15 days you will see that will take roots, and the full plants will grow beautifully. So this is the time. Now I show you how to grow them. Just take a 6-inch earthen pot. This is the clay pot, and in the bottom part you should have some holes at the bottom. And the soil mixer, I tell you, just take 70% garden soil, 20% compost, and 10% reversion. This is the ideal soil mix. Just mix it properly, and if you want you can mix little bit of neem cake powder, because it contains fungicide, some bactericide, and add lots of micronutrients also. And after mixing it, fill it up the pot around 2-inch or 3-inch position, and then take out the whole plant from here. After touching, all the leaves are stooped down. You can see the folded leaves are folded. Within 2 to 3 times they will reopen again. Just see how I am placing the pot, and fill up the soil mix again here. And position should be at the right, in the central position plant should be there, and press with your finger so that the plants gets very steady. So this is the here. Now time to water it properly. I tell you that they needs lots of water, and if some insects attack are there, you may apply neem based insecticide 2 ml per liter in 2 to 3 months, or this is the cyperamethrin, this is Hamla. But mostly they are not infected by or affected by any insects, but if at all there is attack, then you can apply. And if you use some growth stimulator, you can use seaweed extract 2 ml per liter once in 3 months is enough for overall growth of your plant. And I tell you, this is a very beautiful, easy most plant, and this lots of experiment you can do with this plant. Lots of medicinal herbal importance in there, and if you can grow in shades or in your pots or in your container, this easily in as a balcony plant or in terrace gardening plant. This is very easy. So they love sunlight, they love some moisture, but don't keep it in a soggy position. But and the evening time the leaves again folded up, and in the morning time they again open up. So this is the real thing of growing of this touch me not. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.